Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Unlock your iPhone or iPad and open the App Store app from the home screen. Make sure you are signed in with the Apple ID that installed OnlyWay. If you use two-factor authentication, expect a prompt to verify your identity quickly. Tap your profile photo in the top right to access account and updates. Review available updates under Available Updates or Upcoming Automatic Updates sections in your account. Stay connected to Wi-Fi to save cellular data and speed the download process. Use the Search tab to quickly locate OnlyWay by typing its exact name. Alternatively, tap your profile, then Purchase to find apps you own and filter by all. If OnlyWay appears under Available Updates, you will see an update button beside it. If search returns multiple results, confirm the developer name to pick the official OnlyWay app. For pre-installed or system apps, use the updates list to avoid duplicate searches. Note that the current version number appears under the app name when listed. Tap Update next to OnlyWay to download the latest app build immediately. If you prefer automatic updates, enable automatic updates in Settings and App Store Preferences. Large updates require Wi-Fi and available storage. Free up space if necessary before proceeding. If update is grayed out, toggle Wi-Fi, restart your device, and try again after 1 minute. If problems persist, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in to refresh permissions. As a last resort, delete OnlyWay and reinstall from.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.